Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change the speed of your video on the 123apps.com. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone or on your device. Then tap on the trim video button and click on open file in the middle of the screen. Then select the video you want to edit, then click on upload. After that you should tap on the change speed button at the top of the screen indicated with this clock icon. Here you can find this slide at the bottom of the screen. The left side of the screen is indicated with this turtle, meaning that it's the slowest point. So you should drag this green button and adjust it to the relevant point. The rightest point is indicated with this rabbit, meaning that it's the fastest speed. So if you want to check it out, just tap on the play button and you will be able to hear how it sounds. So adjust it according to your preferences, and when you are done, click on the save button down below in the right side corner of the screen. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.